Well, in this video is a little bit different. I got a couple guys, seen them in the last video, Ken and John. Came from the equipment world, not necessarily the construction, more demo, so homegrown talent. That's what this video is. And I like to see, for my investment, I like to show you what I'm getting. Guys are doing a damn good job. This is the first time he's ever dug footers. It's the first time he's ever poured footers. First time he ever shot, second time only ever shooting grade. Now I didn't stay over them and stand over their shoulder. I came in and explained what I needed them to do, and then I left and let them figure it out. Very, very few things I had to come back and correct or go over, however you want to say it. Very few, minor, very minor, like less than 5 minutes. I think they did a damn good job. The first thing we teaching Ken to do is line up. See him spin around there? See him putting his tooth down? Okay, we teaching him to line the bucket up so he can get a straight ditch. I showed him this one time, and look, you can see the ditches are good. Straight, nice, that's a pretty job. The problem is the boss screwed up and didn't lay out the interior grade beams. That one's on me. So I had to apologize for Ken on that one. Construction pro tip. If you like to drink, but your old lady's not too fond about it, I found a way around that. Everybody knows ladies like home decor. So I started buying my tequila in fancy bottles. I've got the boot down here. Getting ready to open the gun right here. Now, it really messes with their mind because they can't say no to a cool ass bottle. So let's take a sip of this and see what it tastes like. When you got a fancy bottle to open, you got choices. Do you go with out the front? Do you go with your trusted daily smoker? Carry every day? Or do you go with the Protect? Special occasion, the Protect was Coletta Blade. I think we'll have to go with the Protect. Woo! Hear that? Get out my 6-shooter. There we go. Now, don't hurt to get some of these to go with it. It kind of rounds them out. But I will tell you, the hardest sale in this whole picture is right here. It's hard to convince when you need 35 gallons of Jack Daniels. First time ever tying steel in a footer. Simple footer, ain't nothing complicated here, man. What a great job to take the time for somebody to learn. They've learned to lay it out, they've learned to dig it, now they learn to tie the steel. They're learning how to read the blueprints on the laps, what that called for and understanding it. Just a good job to learn on. The garage dimensions are 40 by 40, so that makes the diagonal 56.6 and 13/16. So I showed the guys how to figure that up on the calculator, and here they are learning to square the pad. They've got the rebar chaired up properly, you see there. They got their grade stakes down the center, so it's 12 inches of concrete. They got it all tied up. They got batter boards. Down here where we at, they don't use a lot of batter boards, but this foundation was a little different. The elevation is the same as the house up there by the garage door. Concrete's here. Now you can see it going in the ditch. A little dry right here, had to wet up the second load. It was 95 degrees, started setting up. Still got to put the rebar in for the stem wall to go up around it. I didn't get video of digging, I didn't get video of putting the stakes in and stuff like that. The reason is I wasn't there in the video. This was Ken and John's job to come out. This was their learning experience. They did a great job on it. You can see the rebar in there, nice and straight down at the bottom there. That's going to work. Everything looks good. We got a good job out of it. There's more videos to come on this project. We have to raise the land up around it, and to do that, we're going to dig a pond. It's going to have some neat features in it, and it'll be exciting to see. Cool videos coming up on this job site. I'd like for everybody to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'd like to thank